Hello, my name is Elena. I'm from Russia, and today I would like to show you my project. You see Sprite Toby. The first project is about full name, and the second project is about word counting feature. Let's start it. Okay, click on it. Okay, and you will see how Toby says. Because I used sprite say full name and sprite say full name is okay. Just a moment. Okay, you see, enter your first name. My name is Elena. Enter. Enter your last name, Дегтярева. Enter. Repeat name 3 times. No. And enter. Okay, full name is Elena Дегтярева. Enter a sentence to count words. For example, I like PictoBlox. Your sentence has 3 words. Okay, it's correct. Thanks a lot. It's Temperia.